In this lesson, we'll be learning scalar multiplication and matrix addition. Consider a 2 by 2 matrix called B with elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. Multiplying B with a scalar, say 5, would simply be 5B, that is 5 times B. In scalar multiplication, every element in matrix B is multiplied by 5. In this case, 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, and 5 times 4, resulting in a matrix of the same order, that is a 2 by 2, and that is the answer. We could also have variables and expressions inside matrices. Consider a 3 by 1 matrix called C, and have that multiplied with a scalar 3 plus A, where A is an unknown constant. Every element in matrix C should be multiplied with 3 plus A, resulting in a matrix of the same order. We could also add or subtract matrices, provided that their dimensions are the same. Consider the two 3 by 1 matrices shown below. They can be added because they are of the same dimensions, and every element in the first matrix is added to the corresponding element in the second. That is A plus 2, B plus D, and C plus of a negative 4, resulting in a matrix of the same dimension. We could also derive equations for matrices and solve them. Let's look at one last example. Given two 2 by 2 matrices B and C, we are to find the values of Q, R, S, and T, given that 5B minus 2C equals this final matrix. Apply what we have just learned. Rewrite the given matrix equation. Then begin by simplifying 5B minus 2C in the left-hand side by putting in the two matrices. Every element in B is multiplied by 5, and every element in C is multiplied by 2. The resulting two matrices are of the same order, and the mathematical operator here is a subtraction. Therefore, every element in the first matrix is subtracted by the corresponding element in the second matrix, giving us a 2 by 2 matrix with numbers expressions with unknowns in them. With the left and the right being 2 by 2 matrices, we can equate the corresponding elements and form equations. The element in the first row, first column in the left matrix equals the corresponding first row, first column element in the right matrix. And that results in the equation 3 equals 5 minus S, which we can then solve to find the unknown S, which equals 2. Similarly, 3 more equations can be obtained and solved for the respective unknowns.